I'm Martin Johnson of Roxen Internet Software. We make a product called the Roxen Editorial Portal. It's a web-based production system for print, web and tablets, and it's focused on efficient production, lean production really. And the system can import data from feeds, from XML feeds, from Word documents. You can even email it to the system, and the system will extract text and images from your emails. You can do free text searches in your feeds. The system will extract any attached images and combined packages of content. You can set up drop folders and so on. So in this example, we will switch to this page management view. We will use some page templates. We will, in this example, we have a travel template. It's a multi-page document that is going to be filled with a travel story. And in the system, you can tag your templates to say that this is where the headline should go, this is where the byline should go, this is the body text spot, and so on. So we will use this template. I will copy it into a real production issue, and the system will process this template. If I double click this page, I will get back to the standard view, and the system noticed that, hey, there's a travel story here that needs to be filled with content, and it says that I need 7 photos for this story. I need a text. So let's go ahead and use this Word document that has been dropped into a drop folder before. The system extracts paragraph styles from Word documents. So it knows where the headline should go and so on. Okay, so I will use this document. I will add it to this story, this templated story. I will also select a few photos for this travel story, like this, and I add them to this story, and instantly I will get a preview from the InDesign server that's running in the background, and it shows me what this story will look like in the final InDesign document using the content that I assigned. So if I switch positions on the photos, it will update the story preview for me like this instantly. And if I open up this text that was imported from the Word document, I can go ahead and make further changes. This is a rich text editor where I can assign paragraph styles, character styles. I can do spell checking, and yeah, I get a full preview of the paragraph styles and everything that I use. I can also have some flexibility in my templates. So if I leave out the quote, it will pull off the quote from the page. So at this point, the story is not yet on the InDesign document. It's just a preview on the story. But if I switch to the page close-up mode, I can use the drop-down to update all stories that are assigned to this page I want to update. So I will go ahead and do that, and the InDesign server will mount this story onto the final InDesign document. So this document, either I can go ahead and make manual changes by opening up this InDesign document in my local InDesign client, or I can just go with what the template presented me, but I can still go ahead and make manual tweaks to this document. And if you're working with a document manually, you can browse the texts and images through our InDesign plugin. You can also do story jumps. If you have overset text that you need to jump onto another page, you can get the list of such texts through our plugin. However, I will go ahead and close this page, and I will, maybe I need to forward the production status of the document to proofreading, and then the colors will change to indicate the current workflow level of this document. So this is my final result, my final story, and I will go ahead and export this story onto the website, as well as to my tablet issue, and I can select a position on the website, a position and ranking of this story, and a predefined publishing time. I want to publish it right now, and I also want to publish it onto the tablet. And I click publish, and what happens is the system exports an XML file to our CMS system, which we have an integration with, but we can also integrate with other CMS vendors. So if I switch to the website, we should see that this story that I created pops up on the start page, and it presents all the images that were assigned to this story. Also, if I switch to my tablet, we should see that the story is here as well. And this tablet version it's a native iPad app, but it's driven by an HTML backend, which means it's easy to adapt to other devices such as Androids, smartphones, and so on. And the layout is adapted for tablets and smartphones with paging of the body text. You can rotate the device, and the layout will adapt accordingly. The images will form an image slideshow. So with very efficiently, you can publish your content to multiple channels such as print, web, tablets. The tablet version, it has a navigation, simple navigation with all the stories in the current issue. And as an editor, you can preview what your tablet issue looks like. These are all the stories that are currently published onto the tablet issue. If we select the story over here, we will see what the story looks like in portrait, landscape, smartphone variants. Back to the editorial system. Everything is archived in the system, all the InDesign pages, the PDFs, metadata, text, images, everything is archived straight into the system. So everything you can search back through your archives and see what you wrote about a specific topic previously. It's just there, everything.